This 2024 Winnebago Minnie 2301 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 29 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 8, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, auxiliary battery, oven, water heater, slide-out, stovetop burner, self-contained, LP detector, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Winnebago Minnie 2301 BHS is 6,773 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.